Are you a working woman who is planning your pregnancy? Then you must be confused about a lot of things regarding your maternity leaves. You may wonder if your pregnancy can risk your employment, if you can get enough time to spend with your baby without having to worry about finances, or if you can get some time to spend with your adopted child. Don't worry, because there is a law in India to make sure that you are provided with the maternity benefits that you deserve. Hi, my name is Umema Malbari from Girls Bus. We create this legal series of videos to make all women in India aware of their legal rights. Let's go through the Maternity Benefits Act then, shall we? The Maternity Benefits Act. Under the provision of the Maternity Benefits Act 1961, women employers are entitled to paid maternity leave. In the recent amendment of the Act in 2017, this leave was increased to 26 weeks. Yes, you heard that right. It's 26 weeks. So don't let your employers confuse you, because 12 weeks was part of the old Act. Women employees can divide this leave into two parts, with up to 8 weeks before delivery and the remaining post-delivery. Remember, you can only avail this leave if you have worked in an organization for a minimum of 80 days before the due date. Also, the 26 weeks of maternity leave is only applicable while having the first two children. With every subsequent child, women can have a maternity leave of 12 weeks. Now, where does this act apply? This act is applicable to women working in mines, factories, industries, plantations, shops, and establishments, basically recognized organizations employing 10 or more persons. How to apply for maternity leave? Make sure to submit a written application seeking your maternity leave. Clarify with your HR, as some companies have specific processes. Make sure to notify your employers early on to avoid any issues. Does this act apply to surrogacy and adoption? Short answer is yes, it does. You are entitled to maternity leaves even if you are having children through surrogacy or adoption. In the case of surrogacy, the leave duration is for 12 weeks. In the case of adoption, women are entitled to maternity benefits for 12 weeks if the child is younger than 3 months. Are there any provisions for miscarriages? Thankfully, yes, there is. In case of a miscarriage, a woman is entitled to a leave of 6 weeks. But you must submit a medical certificate to your employer. This phase can be very difficult and some time to heal yourself is definitely needed. So utilize it. What if employers refuse maternity benefits? If your employers are refusing maternity leave or terminate your employment while you're on leave, you can file a complaint. Remember, not only can they not reduce your salary during this period, but they also have to continue providing normal benefits such as insurance cover, etc. Employers cannot discriminate based on your pregnancy or your decision to have a child. The less known benefits. If your company has 50 or more employees, then you are also entitled to crash facilities for children from 6 months to 6 years of age within a particular distance. So you can visit your child and provide proper care during office hours. That there is the cherry on the cake of the 2017 amendment of the Act. Hope this video helps all women who are planning their motherhood and those who are struggling for their rights. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. We bring you delicately curated content so you have just the right amount of information for your life as a woman.